Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it said evaluate square root of 64 to the power of 2 plus 49 to the power of 2 plus 15 to the power of 4 all over 2. So we are going to evaluate this to a simple value. So we have here solution. So we are given square root of 64 to the power of 2 plus 49 to the power of 2 plus 15 to the power of 4 all over 2. So in this case, we can rewrite this as square root of 64 here is 8 to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 plus 49 here is 7 to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 plus 15 can be written as 8 plus 7 all to the power of 4. Then we still have divide by 2. So here, this can be written also as square root of 8 to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 is 8 to the power of 4. Then we have 7 to the power of 4. Then we have, this still remains 8 plus 7 all to the power of 4. So we have all over 2. So in this case, we have all of them here to the power of 4. So we can say let x equals to 8 and also we have y equals to 7. Here we can replace 8 with x and also replace 7 with y. So we have here x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus, then we have x plus y all to the power of 4. So we have all over 2. So here we have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4, and we also have x plus y to the power of 4. In this case, this parenthesis, we can expand this through direct expansion, or we use a method of binomial expansion. So we say using binomial expansion. So binomial expansion is in this form. When we have 1, 1, so we have 2, we have 1, and we have 1. So we have 3 here, we have 3, we have 3 here, we have 1. Okay, we have 1 here. So here, 1 plus 1, we have 4. 3 plus 3, we have 6. 3 plus 1, we have 4. So we put 1 in between. So here, binomial expansion, this is the power of 4 that we are going to use when we have x plus y all to the power of 4. This will become, taking 1 here is going to be x to the power of 4. So we have y here to the power of 0. So we take 4 here. So 4 is going to be x. This is 4 minus 1 will be 3. Then we have y here is 0 plus 1. We have 1. So we have, take 6. 6. X now will reduce to 2. Then y will increase to 2. So we take 4 plus 4. Then x here will reduce to 1. Then y will reduce to 3. So we take 1. It's going to be plus, x here will be x to the power of 0 and y will increase to 4. So in this case, this y to the power of 0 is 1. We all know that. So we have this. This is for x plus y to the power of 4. So here, this will become, here we still have square root of, so we are going to bring in this. So it's going to be x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 for here. Then plus, then we have x plus y to the power of 4. We are going to replace this with what we have here using this binomial expansion. So this will become, we bring down this, we have x to the power of 4 plus 4x to the power of 3 y plus 6x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 plus 4x, then y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 4. So that is what we have, divide by 2. So in this case, we all have x to the power of 4 here, x to the power of 4. So we are going to collect like terms and add up all those values. So we have square root of x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4. We have 2x to the power of 4. So we have y to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. We have plus 2y to the power of 4. So we have here plus, this is 4x to the power of 3y. Then we have plus 6x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 plus 4x, then y to the power of 3. Then we have all over 2. So in this case, we have 2 here. 2 is common to the numerator, so we can factor it out. So we have here square root of 2 into, we have x to the power of 4 plus, here we have y to the power of 4. We have plus, here we have 2x to the power of 3 y plus, this divided by 2 will give us 3x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2. This divided by 2 will be plus 2x y to the power of 3. So all over 2. So in this case, 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel here 1. So we are now left with square root of x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 3y plus 3x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 plus 2x y to the power of 3. So that is what we have. So now we have this. We can move over to this other side. So we can clean this. So here we have square root of, here is going to be x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus, here we pick 3 x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 3 y plus 2x then y to the power of 3. So this is what we have. In this case, we can replace this with, this will give us x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2. We can replace this with 3x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2. So here we can replace this with what we have here. So this will become square root of, we have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4, then plus, replacing this with this, we have 2x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2 plus, we bring down this 2x to the power of 3 y plus 2x y to the power of 3. So this is what we have. So now, if you can look at this, from here to here, the same thing as having, when we have our square root still remain, having x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2, all to the power of 2. So if we expand this, we will have this. So in this case, we bring down this, we have plus x to the power of 2 y to the power of 2. Here we have 2 here, we have 2 here, we can factor it out. So we have plus 2 into x to the power of 3 y plus x, then y to the power of 3. So this is what we have. So in this case, this will become, see, have square root of, so we have here x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2, all to the power of 2, plus, here this will become x y all to the power of 2, because the whole of here will become this. So we have plus, we have here 2. So in this parenthesis, we have x and y, which is common. So we can factor it out. So here will become 2xy into, when we divide x to the power of 3y by xy, will give us x to the power of 2. Plus, when we divide this by xy, will give us y to the power of 2. So this is what we have. So in this case, you can see that we have x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 here. And we also have x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. And we also have here xy. So we say let a equals to x squared plus y squared. And also we have b equals to xy. So we are going to substitute this into where we have this. So in this case, we have square root of, as we say, we have, here will become a, it's going to be a to the power of 2 plus, this place will become b, it's going to be b to the power of 2 plus, here is going to be 2, since we say xy is b, it's going to be 2b into, this is a, so it's going to be a. So this is what we have. We can move over to this other side. So we can clean this. So now we have here square root of, here is a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus 2ab. This is what we have, ab. So now, here we recall that we said our a here is x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2, and our b here is xy. So we are going to substitute this back to where we have this, or in this case here, before we substitute that, this is in the form square root of a plus b all to the power of 2, because when we expand this, you know that when we expand this, it will give us this. So expanding this, a plus b into a plus b will give us, this time this will give us a to the power of 2 plus, this time this will give us ab, this time this will give us ab, then this time this will give us plus b to the power of 2. We add the a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. So this is what we have. Here is this where we have this. So that is why we have a plus b all to the power of 2. Then we can do our substitution, because here we said a equals to x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. So this will become square root of, for a we put x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. So we have here plus, this place is x, y, all to the power of 2. So in this case, we have power of 2 here, and we have square root. So this will cancel here, and this will cancel here. So we are now left with x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 plus xy. We recall that we said that our x equals to 8, and also our y equals to 7. So substituting this in the place of this equation, we have here as 8 to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 2 plus 8 times 7. So here this will become 8 to the power of 2 is 64. So we have 7 to the power of 2 is 49. So we have here 8 times 7 will give us 56. So in this case, we can add 64, 49, 56. So when we add here, this is 13. 13 plus 6, we have it 9. So we have, this is 10 plus 1, we have it 6. So here, if we add this, and this, it will give us 169. 169. So this is a value of our evaluation from this question. 169 is the value of this. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.